Welcome to this tutorial on how to simplify fractions. We'll discover how to simplify the fraction 5 over 24. Here's our fraction, 5 over 24. To simplify, we'll need to find the greatest common divisor of the numerator and denominator. Let's begin by factorizing the numerator and denominator. The numerator, 5, is already a prime number. The denominator, 24, factorizes into 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, we will see if there are any common factors in both the numerator and the denominator. We do this to find the greatest common divisor. In this case, there are no common factors other than 1. Since the greatest common divisor is 1, the fraction is already in its simplest form. Therefore, 5 over 24 is fully simplified. It's important to realize that not all fractions can be simplified further, and understanding factorization is key to determining that.